Vedanshi Vala, and I'll be covering the exclusive story on the impact made by the now historical interurban tram network in the City of Richmond. Believe it or not, the old tram was the reason behind the creation of Vancouver's much-loved SkyTrain system. Stay tuned. Today, the City of Richmond is a highly developed urban community. The city boasts large malls, multiple branches of community centers, public libraries, as well as sports and leisure facilities. The now 138-year-old city has quite the story to tell, starting when the first interurban tram was introduced to Lulu Island. It was at this time that interurban trams first started public service. Low fuel consumption, reduced travel time, and overall affordability made the tram an instant hit amongst commuters. The interurban tram, then owned by the CPR, was leased to BC Electric. The company then electrified the entire tram system.
First thing that pops into mind are SkyTrains. They are fast, efficient, affordable, and a safe way to get around. Without the SkyTrain, there would be so many more cars out there, leading to pollution.
In the post-war industrial boom, this tram system was just not made to survive. On February 28, 1958, the trains ran their last route. And that is how Lulu Island bid adieu to this incredible system. I wanted to find out what the impact of a railway system was in other communities. Here's what I found out at Banff in Alberta. We're here at the Banff railway station. Up to 30 trains pass through Banff each day, and they can reach lanes of up to 14,000 feet, which is 4 kilometers. The pattern found in Richmond is also present in Seattle. The city is highly developed surrounding its monorail transport system. Richmondites wanting to commute do so mainly using TransLink's buses or SkyTrains. But how did the SkyTrain come to dominate much of Lower Mainland? By the time Expo 86 rolled around the corner, Vancouver was already missing the interurban tram. After much planning and a complete makeover of Vancouver Lower Mainland, the Expo line was introduced, a vision made into reality once again. Today, you can drive to YVR International Airport anytime and catch flights to global and domestic destinations. The best part is, while technology will continue to provide Richmond and the Lower Mainland with innovative ways to travel, history will not be forgotten. Before the interurban tram, Lulu Island was mainly a farmland. But with the tram came people and jobs. There was plenty of space for businesses to grow, and soon enough, developments began and gave Lulu Island a brand new identity, that of an urban community.